channel. So today I'm gonna do another unboxing video and I'm so excited to show you guys what I've got in here. So this video is in a collaboration with Pat. So as you know already that I love Pat so much, I've been doing haul videos and yeah, I'll insert it in my iCard if you guys want to check it out. So yeah, finally this is like a dream come true collaborating with them. I have some items in here to show you guys, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I have this bag in here and I'm gonna show you guys this one first. Oh my G, and I love the packaging of Pat. It's got their brand name in there and it comes with a Ziploc bag, which is I really like. It's so like professional. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys and oh ta-da, look at this dress, Mia's gonna love this dress so much. It is long sleeve and this is the bottom skirt. It's like a net kind of look. So yan, and I like the flowers. It's embroidered, guys. So yeah, and it is like knitted on top, which is good because it's very stretchable. So this is in the size 9 to 12 months. So yeah, this is so cute. And next we have this one here. Oh my G, the print though. The print, guys. Oh my G, look at these. Mia, do you like these? Mia's just looking at me. She's just right beside me, guys. So yeah, and it is a strawberry print with a ribbon at the back. So the ribbon looks so cute. It's big, so it is sleeveless. This is in 6 to 9 months. So Mia can wear this now because it's still summer here. So yeah, it's nice. The fabric also very nice, guys. So that's what it looks like. And also it comes with a hat. Look at this. This is perfect for summer or spring. Look at this, Mia. How cute is this? Very nice, guys. Look at the hat. Next we have this. Oh my G, this is so cute. This is like denim and it's so soft, guys. So this is 6 to 9 months size and it looks like that. It's got ribbon there and like a garterized designs. I like the design here as well. It's got this flower thingy and looks so cute. So yeah, and next we have this. Oh my G, Mia, look at the color. All right, so it is kind of dusty pink color. So this is with a top like this and it's so nice. It's got ruffle design there. I believe this is 6 to 9 months and that's the top, and of course you're gonna wear it with this. It's a short down here, so it's 2-piece, guys, and you're just gonna put this over the shirt. And look, the ribbon, guys, it looks so nice. So it's got these buttons there and it's got pocket at the front as well. That looks so nice. I like the fabric of this as well, guys. It's very stretchable as you guys can see. So, and next we have this. Oh my G, the print. Mia doesn't have this print yet. So this is in 6 to 9 months. And how sexy is this? This is the bottom. So yeah, oh my G, this is the tube. Mia will look so sexy in this pair. So nice. Look at this. Very nice, guys. So nice. Comes with a headband. Oh my god, this is so cute. How cute is this headband? Oh my G. And next here is this one. Oh my G, this is the one that I'm so excited for Mia to wear. This is a Valentine outfit. It says it's first Valentine Day. So it is a bodysuit. Oh my G, this is 6 to 9 months, of course, because Mia have to wear this week. So look at this. It's got this ruffle design here. And yeah, first Valentine's Day. Ayan, it's bodysuit, guys. And of course, it comes with a tutu skirt, which is so cute. This is a kind of leggings and with the heart print. Oh my god. That looks so cute, guys. Look at this skirt with the ribbon. Oh my G, I'm so excited for Mia to wear this. And of course, it comes with a headband. So, yeah. And of course, we have this here. Oh, look at this. It is a dress again. It's dark blue color. I don't think Mia has this color yet. So, yeah, it looks so nice, guys. And the fabric is nice and like comfy to wear as well. It's very thin fabric, but looks so like elegant, you know. Look at this. See? So nice, guys. This is 6 to 9 months as well. Mia can wear this now because she is 7 months old. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And this one got a terno for me. So I'm so excited to see it, guys. So this is the one right here. And of course, I'm gonna have to take pictures with Mia wearing this and this for me. So yeah. Here we go! This looks so nice! So this is in size small, of course, because I'm really petite and very small. So yeah, it's a long dress and I like the fabric, guys. So it's got button all the way down. So yeah, that looks so nice! I'm so excited to wear this. Alright, so the next one here is not clothes, but it's all hair accessories. So I have this elastic hair tie, guys. So look at these. Mia needs this. So Pat also have these hair accessories, guys. So yes, I have I think 2 of these. So I have the other one here. The other one has a different kind of hair ties. So we have hair clips in here. And we have little hair clips again, which looks so cute. Oh my G. And then another elastic hair tie. And we have this very soft, I don't know what to call this, but it's soft hair tie. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Ayan. So that is the garterized hair tie. So it's very nice. So Pat is selling these as well, guys. So make sure you check them out. And we have hair accessory, Mia. We have headband here, which is so cute. I'm so excited for Mia to use this, guys. Look how cute is this, guys. It's very stretchable as well. And look at the design there. That looks so nice. Oh my G, Mia, you're gonna look so cute with this headband. That's so cute. That's very cute. And we have the last one here, guys. This is a socks. Oh my G, look how cute is this socks. Oh my G, it's got this ribbon right there, which is so cute. And it's got this silk design on the side of it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So cute. I like the color of this as well. And if you want to see Mia wearing all these items here, just keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go. highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yeah, that's everything for this unboxing, guys. And if you are interested, I will leave all the links of these items below, as well as the website of Patpat. And I have discount code for you guys. It's MaryLoves 15 for 15% off of your order. So I'll leave it in the screen and in the description box below. So yeah, and yeah, please comment down below which one do you like in this unboxing video. So the one that I really like is strawberry dress. It's so cute. And also the family outfit, I really like that one, the blue dress. Patpat has really nice designs and outfits, guys, for your little bub. Most of Mia's dresses in here are from Patpat. So yeah, I really love them. So yeah, I really recommend them. So if you guys want to order from them, please tag me on Instagram, Kish Chick. I'll leave it in the screen. And of course, Mia has Instagram as well, baby Mia Venice _. I'll leave it on the screen for you guys. So please follow us as well. So yeah, thank you so much. So once again, if you guys are interested, I have discount code MaryLoves15 for 15% off. So that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe in my channel if you haven't yet. And don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when I upload more videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next one.